Hey guys, it's Rishti Patil again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is HTML part 2 where we will be going with the basics of HTML, and in this video we'll be looking with HTML documents, HTML headings, HTML paragraph, HTML links and HTML images. The first one is HTML documents. All HTML documents starts with the document declaration called as doctype HTML. And after the declaration of doctype HTML, it always begins with the tag called as HTML and ends with the tag called as HTML with a forward slash HTML. The same way, in the after the tag of HTML, only when you are writing the HTML codes to visible part of the HTML, we will be going with the starting of the body, that is the body tag, and end of the body tag. Let me give an example here. Open any of your favorite browser. Click on right click and go to view source. See, at the starting you have gone with the doc type HTML. After that you have started your HTML tag, right? And at last you have ended the HTML tag. And in the middle you have gone with the body and you have ended the body. Not only this page, you can open any of your websites. Let me take you an example of WB3 schools. I have and go to the view page source. See, even here you can go with starting, it's a doc type HTML, and the starting tag will be is of HTML, and the same way the HTML tag should be at the end of the page. Yes, I think you got this. This page is in the end of the HTML page. The same way, here is the end of the body. Here it might be somewhere here at the starting of the body, where we can just find out. Okay, um, it's a bit difficult to find out here where there is a starting of the body. But body will be always starting where the HTML codes are first started, before the writing, as it's the mixture of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's bit difficult to find out where the body tag has been started. Yeah, see, we just got it. The body tag has been started here. Okay, and I hope this you got a idea of about how the HTML tag is started and how the body tag is started and ended. And normally question arises, what is this doc type HTML? So answer for this question is that the doc type declaration represents the document type and helps the browser to display the web page currently. That is, this doc type declaration shows that your page is an HTML page, and it's helped the browser to browse it easily as it's a web page currently. And this doc type declaration is not a case sensitive. That is, you can write it either in the capital letters or in the small letters, as it's not a case sensitive. I'll also show you an example for this. And one more important point is this doc type declaration appears only once, and that too at the top of the page. Let me give an example here. As we had removed our page source of WB3 schools, here the doc type declaration of HTML is in the capital format and is in the top of the page. Same way, when we view the page source of Google, it's in the small letter. Doc type is written in the small letter and it's at the top of the page itself. It has not been repeated, as you can see here, right? Okay. Hmm. And first we went with the HTML document, and second will be our HTML headings. HTML headings are defined with the tag name called as h, and they have different sizes like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. As you can see here, example for this is h1 has some bigger size, h2 has a bit smaller size than the h1, so on till h6. As you can see the code here, right? And I can also show you an here. We had been to our WB3 schools, right? uh, Here, even here, they have used some headings like in h1 or h2, whatever is that wish. um, we can find here. See, they have used this heading as a h3 heading, and they have ended it here. Yes, the same way. Okay. Next is HTML paragraph. It is always written in the tag name called as p, and this is an example for this. See, paragraph is, I have written two paragraph, and the separation of two here, the end of the paragraph, first paragraph is as videos, and the starting of the second paragraph is please. So to differentiate two paragraph, there is a space in middle. Okay, I think you got a clear idea of how this paragraph p tag works. Now, next is link. We always write a link in and we define the link as in a tag, and the link description is always specified with the um, href for attribute. What is this href attribute? In the front of href attribute, this or else this attribute is used to provide the additional information of the HTML page. Like example, as you can see here, I have started my link with a, and href specifies the link tag, like it might be your http link or https link. Whatever link you specified, href attribute is used to specify this link. And at the web page, when I click on this link, I'll be directly getting my, as I have mentioned, my YouTube channel, one of my YouTube videos link. When I click on this link, I would get my mm, I would get my that YouTube page, or that YouTube page. Okay. uh, Links, I can also show you an example here. They might be specified some of the links. Yeah, as you can see here, they have started with a link a, and they have given a tag name. Okay. There are many, like, we'll be covering this class and everything in the later session, but mainly focus on this basics. The link is started with the a tag, and you can also see that link has been ended here, or else see, this a tag has been started here and a tag has been end. Every tag, whatever you start, should be ended by that. It can be anywhere, but it should be ended. Always remember that. And they have specified the link with the href equal to and double quote. This is a link, right? The Okay. Next is html images. HTML images we define with the tag name called as image, img, and we can also have a source file and alternative text, width, height are also provided in these images. Let me give an example here. I just wanted to put my image, and I just gave a tag name called as img. src is a source file, as I have told you, where the image is in the form of jpg or whatever it might be, will be showing that source file. And alternative file, as I have told, this alt is an alternative text. And we this is like if you are fetching something from some website, this .com always specifies as a website, right? Alternative um, alternative text is like a website where we have fetched this images from wb3schools.com, and we can also control the height and the width of uh, this image. So I hope this basics was clear and you enjoyed a lot with learning these basics, and I hope this was easy to understand. So if um so um if you have any doubts, I have also provided my Twitter and LinkedIn account. You can just comment there, and I hope you just like my videos. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned till my next video. Have a good day.